Santifokuo Ogum personal assistant. And I say the body pan no na Silver FM 4 and then kai kwakufa simbiaba na watutu bi ama na Silver FM reports bi koye say Asantifokuo no and the manager of player or the screen is your friend no na benyi amwa Koroko signed in 2023 August thereabouts no. According to Silver FM report file NHS Ogum Adamfo Asantifokuo Asantifokuo and a manage boy no and a ma boy no friends and hwan semunti odibenya akotoko boy na we sa omeriti asemu eno na sesei no abrante friend na nabenyi no ya sign it by Asantifokuo abekasa wo ma Silver FM for no one nansa na no Silver FM reporter omo career no no na metwa screenshot kakra me dey abeto screen. So it is alleged Asantifokuo, who is a friend of coach Prosper Ogum, is Nana Benyi's manager. Reason why the player had the opportunity to play for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, even with his appalling performance. Hey, Kruma man focus. So also even with ne performance ya abranti ja akwanya e de bebo Kotoko na undeserve so bebo Kotoko na Asantifokuo a Ogum Adamfo no ono na daroma say ono no ye the manager of player ninti ena opushima Ogum say me player no so madamfo no de ene wakokotoko yi je na fane kobo kotoko left back position but oba yenso unhu so na chese enye na damfo sem na nka ontimi emebo kotoko. Asantifokuo a reply o say onyo ade a Nana Benyi amoa player or manage no or manage Nana Benyi amoa na Silver FM for report or mokoye no one day so mo am retraction and patch wa obesi omo in the Silver FM senior citizens sisi Silver FM asema edo manim no Silver FM colleagues wo mutia wo minim sambeba out na mo nso mabeye any clarification da yenyina yenim now kotokone Legon cities kwesiada ebaso popular stand no ene da screen so no 20 Ghana cedis ena center line no 30 Ghana cedis VIP wings 40 Ghana cedis VIP main no 70 Ghana cedis. Tickets will be sold at the gates. ZDMZ ticket you butu atu baby o Ghana nti the woman no game na kwesiada 5th May no miensa enye 6 ye bobo kwesiada etabo no miensa nti 3 PM Baba Yara Sports Stadium Korokosha 40 points ye mompa ye macro bi anhye game we